Okay, I'm doing this whilst holding the phone, but hopefully it helps. Let's make some buttercream so that when our cupcakes are ready, we've got the nice buttercream to go on top. So for those of you that have been on the Cupcake Masterclass, to recap, for those that haven't, we always use proper butter for buttercream. You can't call it buttercream if you don't use butter. We don't use marge, and plus you'll see it's unsalted. Use the co-op one, at any good supermarket, Sainsbury's, Aldi, as long as it's unsalted. We don't need salt in our cupcakes. We're trying to reduce our salt levels. So there we have a block of butter, which is 250 grams. Now with buttercream, I always say, if you're making buttercream, make buttercream, because it's a messy process. Now I normally make 2 packs of butter to a kilo of icing sugar. It is half butter to icing sugar. It doesn't matter how much you're making, as long as you've got twice the amount of icing sugar to the amount of butter. But today I am going to use 250 grams and some icing sugar. Now, the other thing that for successful buttercream, see if I can do this on my hand. This butter has been out most of the morning. It's August in the UK, so hopefully, as you can see, it's lovely. My hands are clean. I have just washed them and sanitised them. Look how soft that butter is. I remember when I was young, my mum used to put the butter in front of the coal fire on a Saturday. So yeah, look how it's just slicing up. Sometimes if you get the butter out of the fridge and it's a bit hard, chop it up and 30 seconds or more in the microwave. Don't make it into a liquid. Don't be in a rush. So let me swap hands with this. Take the butter and I will put it into the mixer. The knife's gone in as well because I'm holding the phone. Right, let's get rid of that. Okay, the butter has gone into the mixer. Wipe the knife on the edge. If you haven't got a stand mixer, just use a normal blender. So the butter has gone into the mixer. Now this mixer, I call it my old Cortina. For those that are old like me or remember old Cortinas, this is very, very noisy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut the lid down and I'm going to whiz this butter up on a high speed for about 30 seconds and then I'll come back to you.